What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I got another video for you today. Another unboxing. This is my W's for the last couple of days. The Dornbecker collection released today, and I took at least 14 L's. Peyton liked the Vapor, the Zoom Vapor, when she saw it today, so I went on a couple of accounts for that one. But otherwise, the Dunks and the Fives, which had decent stock. Isaac sent me the stock on it this morning. 20,000 or so of each, maybe 15 to 20,000 of each. And at least 14 L's. Had a couple of friends go for them. I assume if they went for them, they got L's because they didn't tell me anything. But these are the ones that have already come in. This is a late W from Hibbett down here. You'll see this in a couple of days, at some point, I guess. First, a word from my sponsor, though, Jesus. In Matthew chapter 27, verse 46, Jesus was hanging from the cross, and he said, my God, why have you forsaken me?" God was turning his back on Jesus. In Hebrews 13:5, it says, God will never leave us or forsake us. And when I read that, I read that God's never going to leave me or forsake me, because I believe the reason that Jesus was on the cross is to take forsaking for me. Thank you, Jesus. This shoe has been at my parents' house for a couple days. My dad hit on these, and I don't see them that often. So just was able to pick it up from him today. And actually, no, this one got delivered today. Just got delivered today, so.
Just got delivered?
Yeah, this morning. Y'all will have already seen that Hesper chose the Midnight Navy dunk. I still have that. I actually still have all those dunks. I haven't got rid of any of them yet. This dunk was the one that Grandma had, the size 5.5, that she didn't really like, the women's Panda. Oh no, that hole in the box went all the way through to here.
Why'd you do that?
I didn't do it.
Oh.
I thought I did. I thought I did it just by ripping up the sticker, the shipping stickers. But apparently that was something that went all the way through, because there's no way I could have ripped that up on the outside. Which means that Haley's going to need these. I know. I'm not Haley. Which means that Hesper's going to need to like these, because I'm going to have trouble getting rid of it like this with a damaged box. But I think you will have also seen that she didn't like the Dunk Low that I thought she was going to like. Maybe she'll like these better. I hope so. So then we keep these instead of any of those Dunks. What are you looking at?
The baby shoes.
Baby shoes. Today I did go out of the house today, and I wore the Zoom Flights again. Zoom Flights again. So these get a little bit more love on YouTube. I love these shoes. They're so comfortable and just perfect. So, all right, let's get into this. This is, what does this mean? What does this white box mean?
Women's shoe.
It's a women's shoe, and it's a women's what?
Jordan.
It's a women's Jordan. This is a women's Air Jordan 1 Low. Football gray, aluminum, white.
What's football gray? Like
you will see.
Like the
Cool gray?
yeah.
No, that's cool gray. Maybe. This is football gray. This is $100 US. It actually has a price tag on it, so maybe they're not planning on changing the women's 1 Lows, the price of the women's 1 Lows. There's no SE, S anything. So I was hopeful when I saw pictures of these that they were going to be maybe a little bit better quality, but maybe not. So let's see.
Ooh, women's 8. Not my size.
Women's 8, right? Not your size. We got a couple here that you might like, though. All right, I'm going to get a look at these, and at the end of the video, we'll see what Hesper thinks and see if she likes it better than the Midnight Navy Dunk guys, which is her favorite out of 4 dunks that she's looked at in the last few days.
Wow. Or if
yeah. See, this should be an SE. This should absolutely be an SE. A special edition, something like that.
They're so
Yes,
pretty.
so this is football gray. This is aluminum, like the aluminum dunk highs that came out recently. This is a decent feeling suede. It's very thin, which I'm not sure that I really like, but yeah, these are pretty. These are pretty. I tried to get them in our size too, and I probably would have kept these because they're pretty nice. This is a very plasticky leather. You can see it is rough cut on the edges, not rolled, which is good, but it is fairly plasticky. But it's about the same as the Dunks. So at least the blue is. The gray is way, way, way better, and it's suede.
Does it smell good?
It smells okay. This one though,
This smells really good.
This one, y'all are gonna need to, if you can get your hands on these in a store, you don't even have to buy them, just stick your nose all the way in, take a big whiff.
You can smell it through the phone.
It is the best smelling Jordan ever. I mean, the best smelling Jordan silhouette, and this one smells good. So, yeah, these are pretty. Otherwise, let's see what else we get here. probably get a normal Ortholite insole. Yes, it is an Ortholite insole, but it feels a little bit thicker, maybe a little bit more dense. It doesn't feel like it wants to come up at all.
Maybe it's glued down.
They are all glued down, but sometimes they're glued better than others. So we get stitched wings on the back.
Pretty.
Yeah. Because this is not an OG, we get the 23 and the Jumpman on the tongue. I wonder if this might come with extra laces or something. I don't think so, but it's worth a look. No extra laces.
I feel like if it came with like the laces, I feel like it'd be too much. But if it came with the laces, like maybe like the Jordan color, like silver,
White or silver? Okay.
I feel like that would be too much, but it'd be cool. And maybe another shoe.
I think your mom's gonna like this better than the Midnight Navy. What do you
Yeah.
think? Yeah. All right. We'll come back in just a minute. We'll get Hesper's impression with the Midnight Navy out, and I guess that's about it. What she didn't like, and the Dunks were a very similar color to this. They were a little bit more blue. I think it was Aura and something else I got up there. And she didn't like that though because the swoosh was clear. And she's like, man, I want Nikes. If I'm getting Nikes, I want Nikes. It needs to have a swoosh that you can really see. So you can see this better. This is it's cute. It's pretty.
Yeah, because she's got a lot of new clothes now, and I think they're gonna look good with her outfits.
I can see all the new clothes. I remember them, but I don't really remember colors and everything. So
I do.
we'll see what she thinks. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the commenters. A lot of y'all have jumped on this MVS bandwagon, trying to become the MVS. A couple of y'all are really standing out. Grandma Miss Chung is standing out too, and she was gone for a little bit, but she's back, and she's back like with some vengeance. So she's commenting on a whole lot of videos, and a couple others. I've got your names in my my shoe Excel workbook. I'm keeping track and noting things that are especially comments that are especially thoughtful, because I appreciate those, the comments that match what we're talking about, not just hey, it's a fire shoe or anything like that, but the comments that really show me that you're watching, because the more you watch, the more YouTube thinks I'm going to send this to more people, because this person seemed like they really enjoyed this content. But thanks for that. Thanks for smashing the like button. Thanks for the comments. Tell your grandma, and we'll see you in just a second with Hesper. All right, we're back. Hesper's here. She's gonna tell us what she thinks about this shoe. What comes in this box, Hesper?
I always say 12 Easter, but it's probably 1.
Different silhouettes can come in that shoe, but what in that box? But what does that box always mean?
Women.
It's women's, yes. All right. So the other day you saw Hesper pick this. This is the Midnight Navy Dunk High. She liked that better than the women's Panda Dunk High, and she liked it better than the Electro Purple Dunk High. Then we had the Aura Dunk Low with the clear swoosh that you didn't like also. You like that one better. And it's not a requirement that you pick only one, but it's probably better. And it might also be better that you pick this one, because in shipping, it got a hole in the top. So it'd be harder for me to get rid of. But let's see what you think.
A mid.
Oh, that's a low.
I don't know.
That's better?
I don't know. It's cute,
Yeah.
but I don't have a ton of clothes that are like this. That's always the issue.
How you drip it.
Yeah.
But that's better as far as being wearable?
Yeah, I feel like this would go with more than this.
Okay.
But this is so cute. I guess you could wear gray with this, but
You got a little bit of light blue in that shirt you're wearing. It's not the exact same color, but it's close enough. So what? You need comfortable shoes.
I don't know.
So this is just a meh. As far as like prettier shoes, not necessarily ones you can wear, but prettier shoe, which is it?
Prettier?
Yeah, like
I don't really. The prettiness isn't really a factor of these two.
Okay.
Because they're both kind of like, meh, but
I mean, neither of them are very pretty.
Yeah, they're not pretty,
Okay.
but it depends on what you wear with them.
All right.
Um,
So if you're gonna pick one or the other, which is it?
I really just have to stay with that one.
Sticking with the Dunk High, Midnight Navy. All right. We got another one for you to look at here in just a little bit. I might go ahead and record those 2 other videos there, and maybe you like that one better. I don't know. Maybe.
Are you trying to get me to not like that one?
Which one?
This one?
No. I thought that the
I
Dunk.
mean, these are cute. I guess they're not like. None of these are like super girly or anything. So
Those are a little girly.
Well, I wouldn't call them like pretty like that, but
Yeah. Okay. I figured those and the Dunk with the clear swoosh would be more girly than that.
But it's like
'Cause that's
holographic.
It is whatever, but whatever it is.
But it's not holographic enough. Like I feel like
whatever.
if you're paying for Nike, you should.
Yeah, I get that. I'm just trying to help everybody, including you, remember which one I'm talking about.
Oh, I know.
I'm not trying to say that the swoosh is the clearest thing. Like you can't even see it. I'm just referencing the shoe, and you like that one better than all of them.
I
And I
feel
didn't.
like I could wear that one.
And I
more.
didn't expect you to like that one better than.
The other one.
Yeah, I figured this one would have been at the bottom of your list, just above the purple one.
Why?
I don't know. I figured you'd like the black and white better because it's even more wearable than that. And
Yeah, but I like this color.
I don't think you like that color that much. I don't think it's like, oh man, blue, navy blue, dark navy blue. Woo. I figured you'd think that and the Dunk were prettier and maybe a little bit harder to style, but not so hard that you wouldn't like those better. That's just what I
If I had stuff to
expected.
wear with this, I would definitely keep it. But I just don't have. I mean, I don't go shopping like I used to.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
All right. So it's still Midnight Navy Dunk.
Mhm.
All right. Cool. You want to say bye?
bye.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Oh!
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.